Hi there, I'm Kyle, the Onsen guy. Ever wondered what it's really like to stay in a Japanese ryokan? It's not just a hotel. It's tatami floors, yukata robes, seasonal feasts, and baths that help you soak the stress away. So let's step inside and slow down. Sit back, relax, and let's learn about Japanese ryokan together. Located in the quiet town of Aikawa, Kanagawa, Daishinkan Ryokan offers a peaceful escape surrounded by rice fields and nature. With its retro charm, spacious tatami rooms, and private open-air baths perfect for couples, families, or groups, it's a place to truly relax. Upon arrival, the staff greet you warmly, guide you on where to remove your shoes, and even help you with your luggage. And if you've seen our video on what not to do in a ryokan, you'll know rolling a suitcase across tatami or stepping in with shoes is a big no-no. They'll also explain where to find your yukata and the amenities in your room. Just remember, take and use only what you need. Those small items are there for your stay, not as souvenirs. Now, let's take a closer look inside the room itself. 綺麗ですね。こちらの旅館は何年ぐらいやっていますか？
こちらの旅館はですね、創業76年になります。
76年も？
はい。地域の皆様に支えられて長い年月を重ねてきました。
めちゃくちゃいい場所なんですね。もう本当に自然のど真ん中ですね。
そうなんですよ。中津川のほとりに佇んでますので、静かなお時間をお過ごしいただけます。周りに何もないっていうのが当館の売りになりますので、ごゆっくりお過ごしいただくのもそうですし、お風呂にゆったり入っていただく、お料理をゆっくり楽しんでいただくといったのがおすすめの過ごし方になります。
いやー、お風呂もご料理も本当に楽しみにしてるので、よろしくお願いします。
お願いいたします。
Alright, so let me explain some of the things you will find in your ryokan room so you will not have any surprises. First of all, because most ryokans have a bath or an onsen, you will find a plethora of towels. You have smaller towels and larger towels. These smaller towels are going to be your face towels or your modesty towel. You will take this with you into the bath. You can use it to wash your body. You can also use it to dry off before you leave the bath. You can also place it on your head to regulate your body temperature. And of course, you have your larger bath towel to dry off properly. You also have these lovely socks or tabi socks that you can wear around inside the ryokan and walk around on the tatami mats. It's sometimes considered good manners to wear socks when you're visiting someone's house or in a fancy ryokan. And you can take these home too, generally. And of course, we have the yukata. This is the quintessential clothing in the ryokan. Choose your size beforehand, or they might have different sizes available in your room for you to choose from. And then you have the obi, the belt, the sash, which you tie around your waist to prevent it from opening and exposing all of your birthday suit to the people around you. So remember to close the sash properly. And then of course we have the hanten, which is basically a warm jacket that you put over your yukata in the winter months and even in the summer months. And in your room, you will also usually find a tea set with some lovely treats to go along with it. You have your ocha set and your cha gashi, which is usually just local sweets. Now, these aren't just provided for hospitality purposes, they also have health benefits for when you use the onsen or the bath. So the tea is actually there to give you hydration. It also has vitamin C in it and catechins as well, which helps prevent you getting yu-atari, which is basically experiencing dizziness or fatigue from bathing too long or having a sort of a reaction with the sheer amount of minerals in the bath itself. And recently it's been found that if you drink tea and wait 30 minutes and then have a bath, it actually improves the effects of the catechin. So you can have multiple health benefits just by consuming a wonderful glass of green tea before your bath. Oh, pardon me. So, enjoying the video so far? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when a new video drops. This tea is great. After exploring the room, I couldn't wait to try the bath. While it isn't a natural hot spring, the baths use mineral-rich well water, offering 2 types you can enjoy free of charge. All of the baths here are private use only. There's a Hinoki wood indoor bath, warmly enclosed by cedar walls, and a rock bath with a balcony where you can soak in complete peace. Surrounded by the stillness of the countryside, time seems to slow down, and all that's left is pure tranquility. All right, it is time for dinner, but not just any dinner. It's a kaiseki meal, which is a gorgeous course dinner, which uses local and seasonal ingredients ranging from fresh fish, shellfish, beef, pork, and it generally lasts a few hours as each dish gets brought one by one in a specific order. It just flows in a certain pristine way, and I am here for it, and I can't wait.
こちら伊勢エビになります。
本物ですか？
本物です。
聞くの失礼だけど。
しっかり本物です。
すげえ。わ
伊勢エビの天ぷらになります。
最高です。It's so pillowy, soft, and there's that subtle sweetness to it, and umami, and the crunch from the tempura and the salt in there just brings it all together. Whoa! Amazing. Dishes keep arriving as if there's no end. By the time the last course is served, you're not just satisfied, you're happily stuffed. It's a feast that feels both indulgent and heartfelt, the perfect cap to your evening at a ryokan. This time, I enjoyed the bath inside my room. In the quiet of the morning, the soft mineral water feels especially gentle. Even though it's fresh water, the smoothness leaves your skin silky. The natural sodium bicarbonate keeps you warm, eases dryness, and leaves your skin refreshed and supple. It's the perfect way to wrap up a ryokan stay. A ryokan experience is truly something special, and I can't recommend it enough. If this is your first visit to our channel, be sure to check out our etiquette videos on what not to do in a Japanese ryokan and what not to do in an onsen.
ありがとうございました。
And there you have it, a fantastic ryokan experience from start to finish here at Daishinkan. And if you want to have a similar experience, we will have all their information down below for your leisure. We have much more onsen and ryokan content coming your way, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. This has been the Onsen Guy. See you next time and keep soaking.